Let's unbox and take a look at the Reolink E1 outdoor security camera, and let's find out if it's the right camera for your home. The Reolink E1 is a pan, tilt, and zoom Wi-Fi security camera with 3x optical zoom and a resolution of 5 megapixels. It also comes packed with a lot of features and functionalities such as person and vehicle detection and alert, color night vision, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, auto tracking, and it's also water resistant. You can insert a SD card into the camera up to 256 gigabytes, and it also supports two-way talk. Inside the box you'll find the main unit, the camera itself obviously, mounting straps, an extension cable for the power adapter, DC 12 volt power adapter, mounting screws, a mounting bracket, Ethernet cable, and the typical user manual. Right below the camera lens, you'll find the slot for the micro SD card as well as the reset button. Just remove the rubber flap. At the bottom of the camera, you'll find a thread to attach it to the included wall mount. On the wire, you have the port for the power supply as well as the Ethernet cable, and on the back you have the speakers. Moving towards the front, you have the camera lens as well as the LED lights. Besides the optional SD card for local storage, you can also use Reolink's NVR system, or you can also go with Reolink Cloud Service. You can access your camera's recordings and settings with the Android or the iOS app, also the desktop client, or the Reolink NVR. Setup is easy. All you have to do is download and set up the Reolink app. Then hit the plus button at the top right and follow the on-screen instructions. After you find the desired location where you'd like to put the camera, it's pretty easy. Secure the mounting bracket to the wall, then insert the screws, and all you have to do from there is to just screw the camera into the mounting bracket. If you would like to opt for a ceiling mount, remove the ceiling mount from the wall mount and then secure the ceiling mount directly to the ceiling. Then attach the camera. Let's head into the app to check out some of the amazing features. Inside the camera's live feed, you'll find the pause and play live feed button, the microphone button to hear the surroundings. Also, if you hit this camera right here, you'll take a picture that's saved directly to your photo album. Hit this next icon to save a recording directly to your photo album. Right here is where you can select the different resolution of the camera. To switch between landscape and portrait, go ahead and tap this button. Moving on to the bottom, you have the talk button, the clip button, which magnifies a specific section of your live view. PTZ controls, which this is where you would turn on auto tracking, pan, tilt, and zoom your camera, as well as set preset locations. Next, we have playback. You can filter your footage by vehicle, person, or random detection. You can also go to the calendar right here to choose a different date. You can also speed the footage up for faster review of the clips or slow it down for a more detailed review. You can also select the download to download your clip. Just be sure to change it to clear so that it will download the best video quality. If you hit the gear icon on the top right, you'll gain access to all the camera settings, which I won't go through all of them in this video. The image quality is pretty good. It did not disappoint. So the audio on this is very low. It sucks. Here's how color night vision looks. And here's how the spotlight looks. The auto tracking feature works, and it works pretty good. However, if you have multiple people at once, then it's kind of hard to keep track of everyone. It's just a little bit fuzzy when it's trying to move around to follow someone. So I will be turning that feature off. Overall, this is a great camera for the price. One of the best value available right now. Thank you for watching, guys. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Until next time, have a good one.